Hello everyone. Now let's start a new chapter playing with numbers. Now before going to start a new chapter, please subscribe my channel Chaya My Tutorial and like the video and share it. Now let's start a new chapter. Now the number have played an important role in the intellectual development of a mankind. So number is very important in the daily life. Now numbers in a general form. So suppose the consider the number 45. We write this as a 40 plus 5, that is equal to 4 into 10 plus 5 into 1. Because 5 is in a unit place and 4 in a tenth place, so I can take 4 into 10 plus 5 into 1. Similarly in the 34 also, and in 354. 354, 4 is in a unit place and 5 is in a tenth place and 3 is in a hundred place. So I can expand this as a 300 plus 50 plus 4, that is equal to 3 into 100 plus 5 into 10 plus 4 into 1. Similarly, we can write all these numbers this in the activity 1. If suppose the number is a 9-digit number, how we can write? It is possible to write in this form. No, now let's see. Suppose this number they given, it is a 9-digit number. We have to write each and every number, that is 1 into this. We can't expand like this. So we can expand until till this 1 lakh, 10 lakh, million, up to 10 million. But it is very difficult to write many times zeros, and expanding is very complex. So we can this in a simplest form, that is in a generalized form, that is we can write 1 into 10 to the power 8. Here 8 comes because after 1 we have a 8-digit number, so this represents the 10 to the power 8 and 2 into 10 to the power 7 and 3 into 10 to the power 6, 4 into 10 to the power 5 and 5 into 10 to the power 4 and plus 6 into 10 to the power 3 plus 7 into 10 to the power 2 and plus 8 into 10 to the power 1 and plus 9 into 10 to the power 0. Okay, this all represents the generalized form. This is called the base 10 representation of the given natural number or the generalized form of the number. This system was representation of numbers will be invented by the early Indian mathematicians. This similarly, I already what I explained, I had written here. First, write down numbers in a general form. Then consider the number 45. We write this in the form 40 plus 5, that is 4 into 10, that I had explained here. Before I had explained what that I had written here. Suppose you have a 9-digit number. This can be written in the generalized form. This based on representation of a given natural number or the generalized form of the number. Okay, now let's solve the exercise 1.1. First problem, first main, write the following numbers in a generalized form. First problem, that is 39. Solution. How we will write 39? 39 can be written as a 30 plus 9, that is equal to 3 into 10 plus 9 into 1. Put a bracket for each term. Just expand the form given number. For 52, similarly you need to expand this 52. Third problem 106, this I will explain you. Solution. 106 can be written as 100 plus 0 plus 6, that can be written as 1 into 100 plus 0 into 10 plus 6 into 1. Okay. Similarly, you have to write fourth one 628. Next, fifth problem 3458. This can be written as 3458. 3000 plus 400 plus 50 plus 8. That can be written as 3 into 1000 plus 4 into 100 plus 5 into 10 plus 8 into 1. Okay. Similarly, you have to write remaining problem 9502 and seventh one 7000. Now second mean, write the following in the decimal form. First problem 5 into 10 plus 6 into 1. This can be written as 56, right? Second problem 7 into 100 plus 5 into 10 plus 8 into 1. This can be written as 700 plus 50 plus 8. That can be written as 758. Third problem 6 into 1000 plus 5 into 10 plus 8 into 1. This can be written as 6000. Here below the question you have to write 6000 plus 50 plus 8. This can be written as 6058. Fourth problem 7 into 1000 plus 6 into 1. That is 7000 plus 6. That is 7006. Fifth problem 1 into 1000 plus 1 into 10. This can be written as 1000 plus 10. That is 1010. Okay. Alphanumerals and puzzles. In this topic, you learn about the variable. If they given the variable, that variable has some value that you need to find. For example, in the page number 7, here they given that find the digit represented by a p in the following addition. Here they given 41p plus q15. For this, you need to find the value of p and q. In this, you have to apply the value within 1 to 9. It cannot exceed 9. Suppose p is equal to 1, then you will get a 6. Suppose p equal to 2, you can't get 6. Therefore, p is equal to 1 will be the answer. For in this case, for q also similarly, for q equal to 1, you will get a 5. 4 plus 1 is 5. This is a simple problem you can get easily, but in this case, a is equal to 2, you will get easily a 4 because 12 2s are 24 to carry, 12 3s are 36, 36 plus 3 plus 2 is 38. That means value of C will be 3. Okay now in this case all they given all the numbers are numerals. It may be a 0, A, B, C. All the numbers will be equal to 0, or it may be anything. You can take any number in this case. Okay. Alphanumerals and puzzles. Exercise 1.1. 1.2. First main. In the following find the digit represented by the letter. We need to find the value of a letter. For a first problem, 3 plus b by b 7. The given answer, we need to find the value of a letter b. Here solution, on putting b is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Till 9 you can put the value which it should be tally with the answer. It should be tally with the answer. So how we can get, suppose b equal to 1, then 3 plus 1 will be 4. 1 will be not the answer. Suppose 3 equal to b equal to 1, that is 3 plus 1 equal to 4, which is not equal to 7. Suppose b is equal to 2, 3 plus 2 is equal to 5, which is not equal to 7. b equal to 3, which is equal to 3 plus 3, which is equal to 6, which is not equal to 7, right? b is equal to 4, that is 3 plus 4 is equal to 7, which is equal to 7. The given answer is 4, that is 3 plus b by 7 when b is equal to 4. Okay, this you have to write. Second problem, 1, 6 plus 2a divided by b1. In this case you need to find the value of b and a. Solution, similarly, right, on putting value 1 to 9, a equal to, on putting a equal to 1 to 9. Suppose a is equal to, for a what you will get, for 1 you need to get a 1 means what number you have to put? 4 you can't get, you will get 10. Okay, suppose a is equal to 5, you will get 11. 6 plus a is equal to 6 plus 5, which is equal to 11. You will get 11, right? So 1 I had written here, carry 1. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus carry 1 will be 4. p is equal to 4 you will get. Okay, that is 1, 6, 2a divided by b1. That is when a is equal to 5, you will get 4. That is when a is equal to 5, b is equal to 4. Hence solved. Now third problem, 2a into a. Answer will be 12a. For this you need to find the value of a. On putting, first step will be you need to take on putting the value a is equal to 1 to 9. Up to 9, whatever number you have to check. First check it the numbers, then go through the answer. First putting a equal to 1, what you will get? 21 into 1, you will get 21, right? A equal to 2, 22 into 22, you will get 44. Suppose a equal to 3, 23 into 3, that is 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6. You can't get. A equal to 4, 24 into 4, that is 4 4s are 16, carry 1, 4 2s are 8, plus 1, 96. You can get A equal to 5. 25 into 5, that is 5 5 is 25, 2 carry, 5 2s are 10, 125 you will get, right? Right, this is the answer. Here they already given a 12. From these 12 and these 12 they are given. Therefore, A is equal to 5 will be the answer. Hence, A is equal to 5. Fourth problem, 1A plus 1A. Answer will be 2A. For this, they given both A and answer will be also A. It directly can be written as A equal to 0. A equal to 0. So we will get for A equal to 0, can be written as 0 0 0 0 will be the answer. Now it cannot check either any numbers. Take it directly A equal to 0. Fifth problem, 1A into divided